Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about components of budget. This video is for BCom semester 5 students, subject is public finance. In this video we will try to understand what is budget and what are the components of budget, or we can say classification of budget, economic classification of budget. In a very simple word, we can say the word budget origin from French word baguette. It means a leather bag or a pouch. In a previous time in England, businessmen or the finance minister represent their statement or papers in that leather bag, and on that we have the word budget, and now we use the word budget. Budget is a financial statement of government. Okay. Now let's discuss the definition of budget. A state budget is statement of the state's estimated income and expenditure in a commencing period, usually 1 year. This definition given by Professor Johnson. A government budget is a financial plan concerning outlay and receipt of the government. Definition given by Professor Richard. So, we can conclude it. Budget is a financial statement which shows estimated income and expenditure of the government for a commencing period, or usually 1 year. Okay, so that's a budget. In India, Article 112 of our Constitution requires the central government to prepare annual financial statement for the country as a whole. The government is required to present this budget every year before Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the two houses of the parliament in India. Same way, Article 202 of the Constitution requires every state government to prepare annual financial statement for the concerned state. This is called budget of state government. The state government is required to present this budget every year before the state legislative assembly. Now let's try to understand classification of budget, or we can say components of budget. We had discussed in definition. Budget shows estimated income and expenditure of the government. So there are mainly two parts, income and expenditure. But to understand the concept, here we had represent the two main account of the budget, revenue budget and the capital budget. The revenue budget further classified in another two part, revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. In capital budget, there is another two part, capital receipt and capital expenditure. If you want to discuss the concept according to income and expenditure part, in that case, we have to combine both the income, revenue receipt and capital receipt. Revenue receipt and capital receipt on one side, both are the income part, and revenue expenditure and capital expenditure on the other part, if you want to discuss it with reference to income and expenditure part. Okay. Now, what is revenue receipt? So revenue receipt is classified in two parts, tax receipt and non-tax receipt. Now we can also classify tax receipt in another two parts, direct tax and indirect tax. But here we discuss some taxes which are included in tax receipt, like income tax, corporation tax, excise duty, gift tax, custom duty, sales tax. These are the part of tax receipt. Now, on another hand, non-tax receipt, it means the income source which government has apart from taxes. These are interest receipts, dividend and profit, external grants, non-tax receipt of union territories, etc. Now let's discuss about revenue expenditure. So there are again two parts, plan and non-plan. In plan expenditure, central and central assistance for state and union territories plan. So central government has their own plan and central government provide assistance to the union territories and states for the plan. They are the plan expenditure, revenue plan expenditure. In non-plan, interest payment, defense expenditure, subsidies, grants to state and union territories. Now let's discuss about capital receipt, the another account, capital budget or capital account. The first one is capital receipt. So which are the income source in that part? Market borrowing, other medium and long-term borrowing, recoveries of loan, disinvestment of equity in public sector units, issue of bonus share, external borrowing and others. So these are the capital receipts. Now capital expenditure. In capital expenditure again we have two parts, plan and non-plan. In plan, central and central assistance for state and union territories plan, and in non-plan there is defense. So we had discussed classification of budget or components of budget. If you have any query, you can contact me personally. Thank you very much.